Every day is laundry day in a care home. It's relentless and unforgiving, demanding consistent attention to detail and a focus on minimising the risk of infection at every step of the process, from hand hygiene and use of PPE to colour coding, wash temperatures, disinfection and delivery. In our Tura Learnings course, Infection Control Laundry, we walk through the complete laundry process. We describe the techniques for maintaining best practice laundry procedures, and we explain how to avoid cross-contamination at each stage along the way. Take good care of the laundry, and you'll be helping to take good care of our older people and their home. Infection Control Laundry, exclusive to our Tura Learning.